In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Mastercard on iPhone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up any eligible Mastercard, credit, or debit card to be used on your iPhone. You will be able to assign the card to your Apple Wallet. That way, anytime you choose to pay for something with Apple Pay online or in-store, you will be able to issue payments using the Mastercard as the source of the payment. So all that you have to do is open the wallet app that is a default application on your iPhone or even your Apple Watch, and you will be able to tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. Immediately upon tapping the plus sign, you will find the option to assign a new credit or debit card to your wallet. So all that you have to do now to use your Mastercard on your iPhone is to input the details or credentials about the card. These are going to be the card number, expiration date, security code, and then the CVV, which is going to be the code at the back. As long as you input all of those details available for you to check on the card inside of the Apple Wallet prompt, you will be able to have the card linked to your wallet, and the next time you choose to pay with Apple Pay, the card is going to be available as a payment option. You can register multiple cards at once, and you will always have the option to choose one of them as default or select individually across all of them. As long as you have the Mastercard attributed to your Apple Wallet, it's always going to be available whenever you issue a payment using Apple Pay. You can also attribute it as a payment method on your Apple account, and it is going to function the same way, but it is going to be available for you to use whenever you make purchases inside of the App Store or other services that don't use Apple Pay directly. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Mastercard on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.